all the qualities that you mentioned on screen, off screen as well, you're defining that Shiro today right here. So thank you so much for that.
Today I'm Tara
Before you get
Croft.
into the next question, I think I'm getting signals from there. Rayan Shetty and Avinash, they are also my ADs. They are in the projection, but हमारा नाम नहीं लिया. Sada and Harsh, Anand, they are here. Parag Desai, we all know. I'm really sorry, Parag नहीं है इसमें. IPF में, he's not acting. So, yeah. Parag के वजह से हमको एक स्टार एक्स्ट्रा मिलता है when he's there in the film.
Review management.
Well, he's a star. He's calling the shots here. So thank you, Parag, for all, and to the end, all each and every member once again. Let's make some noise for each one of them. Come on.
Sonia as well. Sonia and me go a long way. Like earlier we have worked in Khatro, and now again she's here with us. And I've tortured her a lot. Nahi, ye kyun, aisa kyun, but she's kept the patience. And here we are today. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you.
Sonia the rock star.
And you can make out that is Sonia's team. They made it really obvious, but that's okay.
Thank you. Next question coming.
भारती जी हाँ हाँ आप मैसेज करो ना मैं फोन करेगा आपको
पहले ये खत्म कर लें, please.
I don't know Amazon का कोई नहीं आप देखो ना आपको अलाउड है We go along with. She has the right to hit me. Mobile पे को फिर मेरे को ही लेके देना पड़ेगा नया.
अगला सवाल है for Vivek. Vivek, the question is coming from Bhavneet from ABP Sanja. Vivek, what is the one thing which Rohit made you do which you've never done on screen before?
He's a veteran. He's done everything. हाँ.
But one.
हाँ मतलब he's a
हो
great
गया यार,
actor.
मेरे
He's
को
done
भी
सब
basic के
कंपनी
साथ
से
हो
शुरू किया साथिया किया सब कर लिया. एक्शन भी कर लिया, रोमांस भी कर लिया. अभी क्या एक दो
I
चीज जो हम नहीं कर सकते वो कैसे करवाएंगे स्क्रीन पे?
मैं भवनीत को ऐसे मैसेज कर
क्या
देता हूँ,
इरादे
पर
हैं
अभी
आपके यार?
भवनीत ने पूछा है.
क्या इरादे हैं आपके? क्या करवाना चाहते हो मुझे स्क्रीन पे?
मेरे कुछ नहीं है. ये भवनीत
ये
ने सवाल-
Amazon ने इसलिए लिया मैं स्टैंड अप भी कर लेता हूँ.
Yeah, I think the way to answer that question is, I think there's not an actor in the industry who does not want to work with Rohit Shetty. Rohit has created a brand for himself as a professional, not just in terms of association with the success, but the whole experience of working. But what I didn't know when I worked with Rohit was that he had such an incredible team. Rohit is incredible, but I must say his team is on another level. They work together for so many years.
Woohoo!
They have zero insecurities amongst each other. They make you feel at home. They give you so much love and respect. And the whole experience of working in a Rohit Shetty production was like coming home. I swear, you know, especially with a hectic film, especially my last part of my schedule was a bit of a Rohit Shetty massage. What that is basically that I had a big Utthapatak scene. And like Shilpa said, he made us do all the action ourselves. तो बहुत मतलब ऐसे धोबी पछाड़, ऐसे गिरना, ऐसे ठोकना, ऐसे मारना, ऐसे फर्नीचर तोड़ना, मतलब वो सब हुआ. But despite that whole experience, I missed leaving this team. I missed wrapping up shoot with him. I had withdrawal symptoms. I was like, यार कल से तुम लोग नहीं मिलोगे यार. And everybody, not just Rohit. And Sid मुझे इस तरह से देख रहा है, so I must mention कि Sid was also amazing. It was wonderful working with Sid. Sid बहुत अच्छा आदमी है, बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है, बहुत अच्छा इंसान. और कुछ बोलना है भाई?
बाद में अगर आप वो टीम को बोलते ना तो आप नेक्स्ट फिल्म में भी आ सकते. Like Shweta.
देखा.
Shweta is in this series and Shweta is playing an intelligence officer in Singham again as well.
Wow!
ये बताया नहीं यार when we were working together.
But ये टीम इनको रिश्वत देनी चाहिए.
ये inside information मुझे देती थी.
कोई खाना मांगेगा, कोई कपड़े मांगेगा, जब आप इनको रिश्वत दे दोगे तो आप आ जाओगे.
चलेगा. शो के बाद बात करेंगे. लाइनिंग करते हैं भाई, तो काम तो चालू ही है इधर. And of course working with Shilpa. Shilpa is a rock star. Today Tara Shetty is looking more like Tara Croft.
Yeah, she's grown 3 inches taller
I know.
with this character.
But she's a rock star. She's amazing to work with. We had too much fun. personally also, I adore Shilpa. She's an amazing person, amazing human being. And it was great working with the whole team, everybody on stage. Yeah. मतलब ऐसे? Everybody was, it was a great experience because Rohit's already nudging me saying, bas kar abhi, bahut ho gaya. Okay. All right, guys. So that's it.
Thank you, but you did answer Bhavneet's question, which is that thing you've never done on screen before, but...
Dhobi Bachad.
You did,
Answer
you
the
did.
question.
Rohit Shetty massage. Yeah, you gave the answer.
Talking about action, huh? Bhai.
कोई थाईलैंड वाला हिसाब नहीं है?
Next question coming in for Nikhil, and it says, in 2023, Prime Video dished out some epic blockbusters. Now 2024 starts with an epic force, that is Indian Police Force. How big is the excitement barometer around this show, that too right at the beginning of 2024?
So I'm not going to answer this question as someone from Amazon, but as a true fan and viewer, and I'm a massive fan of what Rohit Shetty creates. So the excitement personally for me is huge. And what we've seen, ever since the teaser broke for the show and the previous announcement, the level of excitement amongst Amazon, amongst our viewers, in social media, wherever we are picking this up, is just immense. So we are really, really excited, really looking forward to 19 January.
Indeed, there's a buzz, and we're also looking forward to 19 Jan. Thank you so much, and wish you the best. Next question's coming in from Lipika Verma for Shweta, Nikitan, and Isha. Starting with Shweta.
लिपिका जी तो होंगी यहाँ पे. किधर है लिपिका जी किधर है? हाँ, okay लिपिका जी. हाँ.
Shweta, starting with you. Rohit Shetty's Cop Universe is entering the OTT platform, which means it will be global audience. How excited are you about your character taking this police force globally?
See, first of all, being a part of Rohit Shetty's Cop Universe itself it's an honor. And I was so excited when I got a call from Vidhi. She called me first and she said, "Do you want to be a part of it?" I said, "Yes." "Do you want to hear your character?" I said, "No, just, it's okay, I'm doing it." I was so excited because I met him first in KKK, that is Khatron Ke Khiladi. I used to be so scared of him. I'm still scared of you. So that time I used to be very scared of him.
मालूम नहीं मेरे को.
I used to be very scared of him. जब भी ये बोलते थे, "और Shweta," मैं कहा, "Huh?" I used to be like that. But when I came on the sets, when I met everyone here, I think after him, she's the scariest one. This one.
Sneha Shetty.
Yeah, Shetty. Yeah, Shetty. She's the scariest one on the sets. But yes, on the sets, he makes everyone so comfortable. और when he's talking to you, आपको at times समझ में नहीं आता whether he's joking or he's serious. लेकिन अगर आप late आ गए तो कहते, "तू late आई?" और अब ये मतलब डांटने वाले हैं कि पूछने वाले हैं, समझ नहीं आता. And then whole day pencil गिरी, this is because Shweta late आई. So he's so jovial all the time. He makes you so comfortable. You know, normally when you go to other filmy people, they make you realize, oh, you're small, you're from you're from TV, you're from, on the sets, every actor had the same kind of respect. Every actor had the same kind of value on the sets, and that was amazing. I think it was great working with them. And these actors here, the big legends, all of them, they were so nice, rehearsing scenes with you, coming to you. मैंने देखे हैं actors who say, rehearsal की ज़रूरत नहीं है. With them, they all came, they rehearsed their lines, they did it. And on top of it, I have to say and mention, the team here, they rehearse before we go in front of camera. My God, they're so complex ho jata hai. They're so good. Yeah, the way they perform in front of the camera when he makes them rehearse, you just look at them and you feel, isko match kar payenge kya? He has amazing team, the way they explain.
अगली फिल्म तुम लोग के साथ.
Yeah, everybody, the way they deliver their dialogues, the way they perform is so good. So I think it was an honor to be a part of his series and his cop world. And मैं अगली बार, he had said, when first time I came on a set, he said, देख श्वेता, तुझे रोज ना खाना लेकर आना पड़ेगा, तब अगले प्रोजेक्ट में आएगी. मैंने कहा, सर मैं रोज लेकर आऊंगी. But without खाना ही मुझे ले लिया अगले प्रोजेक्ट में. Thank you so much.
Wish you the best, Shweta. Nikitan.
For me, working with Rohit Bhai is
कितना हो गया काम? 3 पिक्चर हो गया ना? चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस. हाँ.
Suryavanshi or IPF Circus. For me, working with Rohit Bhai is just like coming home. Like all of them have said, each one of them are my friends, not from now, but since Chennai Express. And I love him. And if he tells me go stand there in a corner, and that's what you're doing, there's no questions asked. I remember I got a call for Suryavanshi. I went and met him and I said, so I'm doing it. He's like, नहीं तू सुन ले. And I was like, no, sir, it's enough, you know, because after Chennai Express, it was a long break. I actually went to his office one day. I said, sir, कुछ problem है मुझसे, कुछ गलती हो गई, आप बता दीजिए, कुछ improve करूँ. And he's like, no, I've done Tangabali with you, and if I ever do something, it'll be better. So,
तेरे नाम का रेस्टोरेंट भी है एक दो. कहाँ यहाँ ही
उसने बोला
Really?
दादर में
हाँ,
तंगबली.
उसने बोला फ्री खाना भी है, बोला मेरे लिए मारूंगा मैं.
जाके खा लो चुपचाप फ्री में.
So yeah, I mean, when I got to know that I'm playing a cop in his universe, because I've seen the other side of it, it was absolutely exciting, and I couldn't have asked for something more. The way he presented me in Chennai Express is nearly 10 years now for the film, and people still remember it, just like yesterday. So I know the magic he creates, and I, like in his words, मेरा राशन कार्ड इनकी कंपनी का तो इधर ही हूँ मैं. As long as I'm here.
Your character does make an impression, man. Wish you the best. Thank you. Isha.
ये जो भी यूनिवर्स क्रिएट करेंगे मुझे काम करना है इनके साथ मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया It gives me hope that there are wonderful people to work with and I really want to work with him again. I really do.
चलो हो गया ना.
थोड़े और सवाल हैं. थोड़े.
हाँ we repeat.
I was really jealous. I just want to put my 2 bits in that. We were discussing backstage, Isha and me, and I was like, I'm so jealous. The only thing I regret not being part of is the songs in a Rohit Shetty movie. She got the songs. I was like, okay, I got the action, so theek hai, I'm fine. Yeah.
There's always the next time. Yeah. Aparna, the next question's coming in for you from Titus from News 18. With Indian Police Force, Rohit Shetty, who is known for his big screen spectacles, is making his digital debut. How do you think this show, with its high-octane action sequences and theatrical elements that are largely reserved for the big screen, changed the game for the OTT world?
I mean, trailer spoke for itself. The kind of spectacle, action that you've seen is only the tip of the iceberg. When you watch the show, I promise to you, you will be on the edge of your seats. And the way Rohit sir understands the pulse of the audiences, I don't think anybody else does. Like I said, just stay tuned for 19 Jan.
We're looking forward to it. As you said, the trailer's done wonders, already impacted us and gripped us, and we can't wait. Next question coming in for Sushwant. And थोड़ी देर पहले जब मंच पर आए तो उन्होंने कहा मुझे स्पॉटलाइट पसंद नहीं है, पर आज आप स्पॉटलाइट में हो. द डायरेक्टर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ब्रिंगिंग अस दिस. एंड सुशवंत, सवाल आया है कि वी आर ऑल गोइंग टू वॉच इंडियन पुलिस फोर्स ऑन द 19th of Jan. दैट्स द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. बट आप डायरेक्टर हैं, कुछ बिहाइंड द सीन इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी बताइए या चीज़ें बताइए.
मेरे से डर लगता है, नहीं बोलना प्लीज.
नहीं बॉस. Behind the scenes interesting. The whole series was interesting. I mean, everything we did right from the get-go was amazing. It was an amazing experience. And everything was, yeah.
बिहाइंड द सीन कुछ ऐसी इंटरेस्टिंग कोई चीज़, जैसे श्वेता ने कहा पेंसिल गिरी तो मुझे डांट पड़ती कि तुम्हारी वजह से गिरी, ऐसे कुछ.
नहीं. It's a normal thing for us. I guess to get to hear.
The headmaster's husband.
Even she's become a director in the company now. Yeah. So अभी casting करना है तो विधि और स्नेहा, मैं कुछ नहीं करता हूँ, ये 2 लड़कियाँ हैं, ये याद रखना.
Thank you. Sushant, wishing you the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Next question coming in for Rohit sir. It's from Abhimanyu from DNA. Your cop universe is known for its grand scale and enormous action set pieces. I'm pretty sure you've gone out and brought the same scale on OTT. How certain were you that there will be no compromise on that front, given the streaming platform is considered smaller than films?
As I started, when you asked this question before also, that I don't believe in whether it's television, whether it is streaming platform or cinema, anything is big or small, काम hota hai. And again, I'm saying this credit goes to Aparna. When she came to me and I was like, hey, मैं छोटा series कैसे बनाऊंगा, आपको action series बनाना है, तो it has to be on a level of whatever films I have made. And she promised me that, and all this is because of them, Aparna and the whole team in Amazon. It's a big scale show. It's not easy. We can create something, but till the time we don't have support from them, we can't do that. So the credit goes to Amazon and Aparna. Yeah.
And so for the content we've seen, you're always up for challenges, Aparna.
Thank you.
And then the last question, as you rightly said, thank you. सिद्धार्थ के लिए है. आपने बोला आपका हुक्म सर आंखों पर. सिद्धार्थ के लिए सवाल है. Anand from Bollywood Hangama. For a new age star, after completing a decade since Student of the Year, is it a next big logical evolution to go in a larger than life zone like a cop universe?
वाह मतलब हाँ very
Intense.
detailed question. But I think it's the times we live in. People want to see something larger than life. People want to see something which is on a mega scale, on a large scale. And I think it just so happened that we were lucky that all of us came together in a Rohit Shetty show, and in the Cop universe, which lends itself to a larger canvas. The film travels around India and a bit outside as well. The show travels around India and outside as well. So I think it's the audience leading us today to give them something little bigger, larger, grander, but at the comfort of their homes through Amazon Prime. So I think that combination makes itself to be very interesting today. And we're super excited and stoked to present our show on the 19th of January. So looking forward again. मैं कर रहा हूँ मैं अपना सिर्फ वही कर रहा हूँ लोग भूल ना जाए मैं सोच रहा हूँ यहाँ पे ओपनिंग होने वाली है
What Sid is not saying is that this guy looks awesome in uniform.
no. It's all to the Rohit Shetty team and the costume department first do all the work and make it pristine and have every detail in place. All one had to do is come and just wear, and I think it's a team effort. So thank you again for enjoying the trailer and looking forward to the show on the 19th. Correct.
Thank you, Siddharth. And with all those combinations and you guys adding to it, it's going to make a deadly dhamakedar combination. Wishing you the best. Can we have the entire force for a nice photo op? And
Thank you.
request you please
Thank
stay
you.
a nice photo op.
इसके ऊपर चले